In this video, we'll look up how to find brand share and how to find brand breakdowns for a particular company using the database Passport. So first, we're going to go to Industries, click on Industries, and I'm going to use the example of M&Ms as the brand. And since M&Ms is a food, I'm going to click on Food and Nutrition. And then I'm going to click on Snacks at the top. Next, I'm going to scroll down to Explore Statistics box on the left. I'm going to choose the category of chocolate confectionery. I'm going to choose a geography of United States. I'm going to type in USA and then click on USA. I'm going to select the statistics brand share. And then I'll click go. So here is the brand share of different brands, including M&Ms is the second one on this list. At the moment, it's showing under unit type percent breakdown. So I want to change this to the actuals. So under convert data in the top left, you want to click on convert data. And under unit type, click on actuals, which is the sales data. I want to download this data by clicking on this download icon, the downward arrow in the top right, and export current data set. So we opened up the data set in Excel. Again, these are the sales data for the entire industry. And then to find the brand share for M&Ms, we want to look at the M&M sales, which is up here in the second row. So we'll divide their sales by the total sales of the industry to find the brand share. One thing to note about Passport is it doesn't have data on really small brands that don't generate a lot of sales data. So this is one thing that's missing in our brand share report. So now we want to go back to Passport to find the brand breakdown for a particular company. I'm going to click on Passport in the top left corner. I'm going to use the search all categories box to look up companies. So in this drop down, I'm going to click on companies and then click go. And since M&M's is owned by Mars, in the type company name, I'm going to type in Mars and wait for the drop down Mars Inc. to appear. And then I'm going to click on Global Brand Owner and click on Mars Inc. here. Then I'll click Next in the bottom right corner. And now we need to select the different categories we want to appear in the final report. So Mars has many brands in their portfolio, including dog food or food staples, in addition to candy and chocolate. So I want to click on as many categories as possible to make sure we include as many brands as possible. We want to click on the most granular categories or industries in this page. So I'm going to expand these different boxes and click on the most granular options, such as other hot drinks, or ready to drink, RTD coffee. Under food and nutrition, I'll expand cooking ingredients and meals and expand meals and soups and click on these most granular options within here. It's important to choose the granular options so we don't double count different categories and industries. So I'm going to continue doing this for the other categories. After we select the most granular industries and categories, I'm going to click on Next in the bottom right corner. And next we'll select the geographies. In this case, I want to focus on the United States. So I'm going to look up North America and click on USA. And then at the top right, I'll click search. Okay, so these are our results. So we want to be on the statistics tab and then scroll down to the brand shares. And I want to click on view full data set. I want to change these numbers to actuals again. So in the top left, I'm going to click on convert data and click on the unit type. I'll change it to actuals. And then next, I want to download this data. So I'm going to click on the downward arrow icon in the top right corner, click on download and click on export current data set. Okay, so this is our brand share data for Mars Inc. Like looking at brand share for an industry, you also want to add up the totals for each year and then look for M&Ms and divide those actuals by the total actuals of that year. And just a reminder that Passport only includes brands that make up at least 0.1% of each industry's brand share. So if a company has a brand that doesn't generate a lot of sales, it won't be included in here. So this is how you use Passport to find brand share. If you have further questions, please reach out to a librarian and we're happy to help you.